Okay, I thought while I was finishing lunch, I'd kind of walk around and explain exactly what I'm doing here. But this guy built this house, I think a year or so ago, and he's just kind of been trying to get it roughed in and doing a little bit here and there. But I guess all the dirt that was cut out of this swell, or when I say dirt, just nothing but rock, is all piled right there. So now he wants to get that thing kind of dug out and try to follow this grade on out. So we may take some of that, and I think we're going to clean all this out in front of that tree where it kind of dips down low, rough that in a little bit. We're going to come through here, and I think we're going to try to put in another French drain, because we'll have a little bit of a swell, but he's basically wanting to rock this whole thing almost over here to this hill. I think he doesn't, kind of restores older cars and stuff like that, so he just wants more of a base rock area here. The logs I gotta leave, he asked me about trying to move this because it's not where, I had another company come in here and it's not quite where he wanted this to end up at, but this is a mess here, and this looks like a snake pit if you ask me. But we'll run the French drain down through here. I think we're actually going to try to cut this over a little bit more because he wants to kind of extend this side of his driveway. So I may take some of those rocks and stuff like that and dump on the edge of here to kind of build that up and then taper it down. So, which is still going to have somewhat of a swell for the yard, or for, to drain off. For today with the excavator, I think I'm going to use the excavator, load the truck, and then just kind of dump piles around the yard. So when I come back with the loader, I can just start knocking those down instead of taking one bucket at a time on this stuff and moving it around. So that is my plan for now. We will see how that works and go from there. yeah, got it down to this. So I'll probably load it up. We got storms rolling in. They've kind of been on and off all day. I know it's hot. But I kind of got it raked around here and stuff and pushed up, and hopefully I'll kind of keep it contained and just kind of keep smoldering down. But I was worried some more of the severe storms were rolling in earlier, so in a quick deal, I guess, I just started piling as much on there as I could just so I could kind of get it burnt and get it done. It surprisingly is burnt down a lot, but now this stuff will sometimes sit here and either burn out or get rained out. But I wanted to get the majority of it because it looks like the rest of this week I'm going to get rained out. So Dan, I'm probably getting ready to get soaked right now. Then I got to pull over there and clean my tracks out and load up. Hopefully that'll kind of sit there and smolder down and burn up, and then we'll wait for it to dry out. That stuff I'll have to just either find a spot back here in the woods where you got a place to dump or haul it off. But then next time I'll bring the loader out here and do all my grading work, and then the last thing will be a little drain around the back of the house. So I'm gonna get her cleaned up for this evening, get loaded up, and get to the house.